You know, at some point in time, we're all going to incur some type of minor injury throughout life. Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni, and what I want to talk about is how to treat an infected wound. First, remove any type of bandage material that may be over the wound. Place some type of antiseptic solution or disinfectant solution alongside the person to be used for the cleansing process. The rescuer should put on some type of latex gloves to treat the area. Sterilize a pair of tweezers. Open the wound area and probe the wound area deeper for pockets of pus or other areas that need to be drained. Drain the wound as much as possible and cleanse it with the disinfection type of solution and clean and dry with some sterile gauze. The disinfection solution should be applied 3 to 4 times a day and the area kept open. Do not allow the wound to reclose during the healing process. Continually monitoring the person for signs of chills or sweats that they're having another problem. I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.